Hey everyone and welcome back to another video. In this video, I'm going to show you how to find my Mercari link. Now this video is going to be particularly useful for individuals. Let's say that you're starting to sell items on Mercari and maybe you have some family members or friends who might be interested in your profile or what you're selling. How do you actually go ahead and find my Mercari link? Now this video is going to be short, sweet, and simple guys. There's not going to be a lot of steps involved. Now in order to do this, what you're first going to do is log on to your Mercari account. Next, click on Profile on the bottom right hand corner. Afterwards, go ahead and click on the share icon on the upper right hand corner that looks like an upward arrow. So next, click on Copy Link, and then this is going to copy it to your clipboard. So if you go ahead and open up a notepad and paste that link, this is technically your Mercari link. But that right there, guys, is the best and easiest way that I know of to actually go ahead and find my Mercari link. If you guys know of a better or easier way to actually do this, let me know in the comments down below. I would love to know. Thanks so much for watching everyone, and I'll see you guys all in the next video.